guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be the beginning of a new vlog. You already know I got my ears done. This one's not swollen anymore. They used to be more out. Like, I'm really happy. And today I'm like extremely bored. So I got ready and it's like 1:30. I have nothing to do. I have no gas money, but we'll figure out what we do. Who am I? The shirt kind of looks weird, but it looks better in person, I swear, because it's kind of see-through. And so the shirt looks kind of weird like on the camera, but this looks much cuter in person, I swear. These jeans are from Missguided, Calvin Klein, and then I'm wearing this one. This one's also Calvin Klein. And then this shirt is just a jersey I got at Thrift City that I ended up I cut the sleeves and I cropped it, obviously, and the sleeves I also cropped them because they fit me like all the way over here. So no thanks, but outfit's real cute today. I'm wearing my black Vans. And yeah, I went to the gym yesterday. I worked out and I'm low-key can't walk, but getting through it. So I don't know what it is we're gonna do for the next few days, but I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I do go to Guadalajara for a wedding on the 27th. I think it's 27th, I'm not sure. But yeah, so we'll see what happens. It's like 104 outside, but my car says it's 112. So I'm assuming it just feels like 112. It's super hot and I'm wearing jeans and they're cute. Right now, I'm getting a car wash. The car wash, guys. So I came to Walmart to buy pasties, right? And I have my debit card, my mom's debit card. And my mom was like, pay with mine. So I was like, okay. So I took her debit card out of my wallet and I threw it in my purse so that way I wouldn't have trouble looking for it. Sorry, I had to cut it there because my dad called me. You know, I have to run errands for him too. And I literally had this whole day set for myself to relax and stuff. And people are passing by and they're looking at me. I had this whole day planned for me and I got stuck doing other people's things. This kind of sucks, man. Okay, I was saying the story about how I came to Walmart and it turns out I took out my card instead of my mom's card. And and then when I pay, every time I use my card, I get a notification on my phone. So I got a notification and I was like, no. Technically, I bought $27 worth of things at Walmart when I only have $30 in my account. So I just got out of Five Below and I bought this charger and it's super cute. It's like rose gold, but it's pink. Also got an aux cable because I don't have an aux cable in my car and connecting my friends through Bluetooth all the time gets annoying. So I got this. I also got a screen protector because mine's all broken. And I got a t-shirt that I'm going to crop for the gym, but it says females of the future, so that's kind of like a mini Five Below haul. I totally forgot I had an iPhone 8, so I don't have an aux cord, but I have the little adapter thingy. I just want to focus down, but I was gonna try it out right now. And yes, my nails are nasty. I'm gonna go get them done tomorrow. Okay, don't judge. So we're about to leave to Guadalajara because we have a wedding. I literally went to see Mamma Mia alone the other day because no one wanted to go with me. No one was answering me. What's new? I'm also breaking out. Mamma Mia was good. I really liked it. I went alone and I literally had the theater to myself. No one else was watching the movie, so... And right now we're going to Guadalajara for a wedding. My middle school teacher's wedding, actually. But he's marrying my cousin, so it's not weird. And right now I'm stuck between having to choose, just biting my tongue and, not getting myself in trouble or doing the right thing. I'm probably gonna end up doing the right thing, but later, because right now I'm not even gonna be in town, so what's the point? Jamba Juice could never. We're getting in the car, finishing our drive to Guadalajara because I also bought a romper, super cute. So right now we're in Guadalajara. I have a wedding at 6. We're gonna start getting ready around maybe 1 or 2 because I have to do my mom's makeup too. I look really bad. I broke out too, so that's super sad. I feel like every video I make, I always say, oh, I broke out. I feel like I'm always breaking out, so I'm always gonna be this ugly. obviously have like some makeup on because you don't see pimples right now. Something's off today. I feel weird. I'm just gonna go get some breakfast because my parents are downstairs and I stayed upstairs because I needed a shower and get ready and stuff. Here we are. Maybe it's the hoops that look weird.
Bueno, Lino. Para que se pongan bien románticos temprano.
Claro.
Y'all, this is super good. Pero tómale, Patricia. We all bought hats. We are in Tequila, Jalisco. Di hola. Hola.
Hola.
¿Ma? Hola. Tequila tour. I was cheated by you, and I think you know when. So the wedding was super cute, and now my middle school teacher, my algebra middle school teacher, is now my cousin. And my outfit today is cute too. I feel super weird with hoops, but since I got my ears done, I feel like, I don't know, I don't feel like it looks bad. So my shirt says Females of the Future. So I got the shirt at Five Below and it was $5, and I cropped it, and I also cut the sleeves because it was a large. So yeah. So now it's a cute crop top, and I'm wearing this belt that I got at H&M, and this denim skirt which I got at, actually I got this one downtown. Like, so if you're in Laredo, downtown Laredo is where like all like the, I don't know what it's called, like everything that's like from China and stuff, like all of that you can find in downtown Laredo. There's like stores, and their clothes are like cheap, super affordable. So I want to say the skirt itself was $15, but it fit me big too, so I had it tailored. I'm wearing Converse again to Tequila. Well, now we're gonna have time to be there because yesterday when we went, I had to like leave early because we had the wedding. I feel like my makeup looks weird. I feel like something looks weird, but then again, I felt this yesterday. I felt like my makeup looked off, and I'm not sure what it was. And the hoops, I got the hoops at TJ Maxx, and they're sterling silver, and they're $20. I am excited, and this lighting is super good. Okay, I'm like, so I'm deciding right now if to take my purse or if to take a backpack. I sat down, like it feels good to be out of Laredo for a little bit because I really like felt like I needed to breathe, like, you know, like this whole time I'm just like thinking about like, because I have to choose like something, right? I can either choose to tell someone the truth or choose to tell the other person. I don't know how to say this without like giving it away. Point is that I have to make a decision, right? And I can either like right thing to do or more convenient for me to do. They're both not. One will cause more drama that I don't want. So my mom walked in on me vlogging. Totally forgot what I was saying. I can either like cause drama, do the right thing, but cause tons of drama, or just like, I mean, it's nothing that I haven't tried before, you know, like I've caused the drama before and it doesn't work. You know, like I don't think that person will like ever understand, and it's not my fault. I think I've done my part. I've done my part more than once, and it doesn't go through that person's head. Part 2. Friends, I made a friend. I don't know his name, but I'm gonna call him Leo. That's me. I'm waiting for the rest of my family. My parents went to go find my tia. I still have to use the headband to sleep. And we're still like 8 to 9 hours away from Laredo. My phone is dying and then I can't charge and listen to music at the same time. So I'm so done. So I have bedazzle on my face because I just came from a photo shoot. In my previous video, I was talking about doing the right thing or not. And I did the right thing. I talked to the girl and I told her the truth, and I thought maybe this time like she would change her mind, or she would like maybe some sense would like knock into her. It did not help, and I don't even know why I'm shocked, because we all saw this coming. If to my friends out there, if you know what I'm talking about, if I'm ever stuck in something like that, like please slap me, like knock some sense into me. Like I never want to be stuck to somebody who's like that to me. I feel like genuinely bad for her. I kind of feel bad for myself. Like we like went to lunch and I told her everything for like 4 hours, and she told me like her things, and like I thought we bonded or something, but no, apparently we didn't. And what I said obviously did not change her mind about anything. So the guy was like talking like smack about me, but that's not true. So that obviously like ticked me off, and I was mad because I'm obviously going to defend myself. So I went over and I knocked on his door, and I was like, she showed me the text messages of you saying all of it, like calling me this and that and that, and he was like, she's here, let me go get her. And he closed the door and he never came back out. Like he had no balls to confront me, no balls to tell me that to my face. And he wasn't nice. The girl was there, so I thought maybe she'd come down and open the door, right? But she like texted me, she was like, there was nothing I could do. You mean I'm being insulted? I told you the truth. You like caught him, you couldn't open the door? Did anything that I told you, like, did that even go through your head? I know like this is petty that like I'm vlogging this, but I'm not really like trying to start anything. I'm just like, I'm mad and I'm just kind of ranting. So don't take any of this to heart, please. Like I really don't want anything. Like I'm honestly done. But I find it so funny. Like no fucking balls. Like he could be saying all of this. He's just trying to make me look bad for his truth to look better. That's so pathetic to me. I'm frustrated because it's been a year of this. It's the same thing. Most probably. All of the things he's saying to her about me, if that's really how he feels about me, then why doesn't he just say that to my face? Say it to me. Not want to be in her place. Not because of all the things that he like puts her through, because of all the things she like puts herself through. It's unnecessary. I don't even know how to explain to you guys because I don't want to like expose them or anything. So stupid to me. It's like the same mistakes, like just going in circles and circles and circles. Like One Direction said, same mistakes, Dizzy's all it makes us. It's never gonna stop unless you make it stop. What I said literally just went one ear out the other. Like I don't know why I even wasted my time, you know, eating with you and talking to you and telling you all of these things for it to go one ear out the other. Like no moment. So my photo shoot was cute actually. The girl bought me a Coke, and because we like shot with like this Coca-Cola jacket I have, and I gave her the flowers that I used for my other outfit, and she kind of bedazzled my face. So let's stop caring about people who clearly don't care for you. Stop doing things for people who don't care for you. Stop helping people who don't care for you. Stop worrying about people who don't worry about you. I've cried enough over this one person who all does is like use me. I'm moving on, like I'm done. And stop crying and worrying about somebody who clearly does not care about me. Claims he does, but truly doesn't. And yeah. I came to TJ Maxx because I have nothing else to do, but I have like no money, so I don't even know why I'm here. Like I can't buy anything. I made this because Fashion Week is this week, so I'm like letting my skin breathe, you know, so that way I won't have that many small pimples. But I'm really excited for Fashion Week. I got my nails done because they wanted French, but I didn't want acrylics, so I got gel, and I feel weird, but I don't know what to talk to you guys about. I'm also kind of like sad because I probably ruined possibly like the only good thing that I've ever had with somebody. I'm not gonna cry in a vlog. It has hit me really hard. I don't feel bad for anything that I did. With time, things heal. I was conscious of my decisions. Like I'm not gonna regret my decisions now. There's no point. Like what am I gonna do, go back in time? No. I don't have much to like say anymore because I'm gonna start recording my vlog for Fashion Week. Well, I'm gonna try and do a vlog for Fashion Week. Yeah, so this is just like my kind of last mini update before all of that chaos. Like I'm sad, but I feel good. I feel relieved. I'm happy that like I cut off all ties. There's nothing holding me back, but I don't know if that person's watching or not. If you are watching, then if you ever need anything, you know, like I'm here. I'm not mad anymore, but it would have been nice if you would have just been able to say, if that's how you feel, say it to my face. Apart from that, if you need anything. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, guys. I want to thank y'all for watching. I don't even know if you guys like my vlogs or not. I'm here and I'm trying. Like, comment, subscribe. I will upload as soon as I get the chance. If you haven't subscribed, make an account and subscribe. Come on, make those little numbers go up. Don't forget to like this video, and my Instagram and Twitter will be in the links in the description. That's pretty much it. So thank you guys and bye.